Oh my god, guys, look what came in my clear jelly stamper order. So I'm barely gonna open it with ya, and this is how it came packaged. Okay, real quick, so I emailed clear jelly stamper because I paid for the FedEx for the 2-day shipping, and I didn't receive an email with the tracking number, so I had to email her because I wanted to know when my package was going to get delivered. So I emailed her, and she had very quick, she gave me a very quick response in the morning. This was in the morning, and she sent me my tracking number. She was like, so sorry that Federal Express never gave you your tracking. And I was like, oh, that's okay. And she gave it to me, and thank God I asked her for it because this was going to be delivered today. So let's open this. I'm going to start with the stamping plate. I bought 7 large ones and 1 small one. And here's the small one I got, and this is a Valentine's one. And here's the number. You can just type that in and it'll pop up. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I picked up that one. I also picked up this one. It's a new one. Oh yeah, and they put out, I believe it's 2 or 3 new ones, and I should have waited to order because I wanted those 2. They're so cute. This one's the, I believe it's the Paris one. I don't know what they're called, but here's the number. I got it because I like these right here. And this. Oh, that's what that looks like. I also picked up this one. Here's the number right here. And here's what this one. It's also a Valentine's theme one. It just has a whole bunch of hearts, and it's so pretty. I also picked up this one. I believe this is the poet one, the one that has the scripture, the writings, and I liked it because I wanted to do a Valentine's set with some writing on it. And this number is, here's the plate number right there. And that's what that one looks like. I can't even read what they say, but it's so pretty. This one I can barely read. What does it say? She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless. I can't see. I don't know, but it does say, it has like poems on it, but it's so pretty. What's up was this one right here, and it's the letters, the alphabet ones. And I love it because of these right here. These are so pretty. And it just has like different sizes. So this one is CJ40, CJS40. I also picked up this one right here. This one is CJS28. And I wanted something with chevron pattern because look, this will be a perfect size for my nail. Yep, perfect. I also picked up this one. This one's a collaboration one with Talia's Nail Tales. I love her videos. She's so talented in stamping. Oh, I wish I can be like her. But I guess with practice, right? So this is the one, CJS collaboration with Talia's Nail Tales. It's CJS LC13. And this is, I think this is the Rose's Garden or something like that. But it has a bunch of beautiful roses, and I love this one down here. The last big one I picked up was this one right here, CJS 37. I got it because of the roses. I believe this is the peacock one. Is it? I think so. And then I also picked up I love this. It's so cute. She gave me a little candy. I also picked up another clear jelly, a stamper head, because mine's is ruined. It has like little indents right here, but whenever you go to pick up the design, it doesn't pick up paint where it's dented, if you can tell right here. So I'm gonna toss that one and replace it with this one. A nice bubble wrap. And you need to be very careful with these stamper heads because they get dented fast and they just don't work anymore. There you go, so you just do that. And you can see right through it. And the other one, you couldn't even see through it anymore. Look at how, I mean, you can, but you see right here, these little dents. I don't know how that happened, but it doesn't work anymore. It's crap. So I picked up that one. And then this one, you can just put it back in here. I can use this one to practice. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one to be practicing. And this is my forever client one, whatever. And then you can just put it back under there. And it stores perfectly fine. And I know I have to clean this off, but I don't want my logo to go away. But anyways, I picked up that pink ones. Oh my god, I was so excited to get these. I originally picked up the pink ones because I needed a replacement one of this one because this one was all ugly. So I saw they had replacements and I was like, what the heck, I'm gonna pick up 2 of these pink ones because they're so pretty. And then it comes with the clear one, as you can see, and then it comes with one on the bottom. And this is very, very sticky one. And this one, it's not as sticky, but I can't wait to use these. I'm so excited. I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm not gonna even try. So I picked up 2 of these. I don't remember the exact price, but you can go on the website and check. I don't know. I want to say there were like 10 something. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I did pick up 2 of them. I picked up 2 of the larger ones because I have quite a few of the stamping plates, and my collection is just going to grow because clear jelly plate, the clear stamper jelly plates are awesome and I love them. And I'm just going to keep adding to my collection. And so these will fit in nicely in here, the big ones. They'll fit perfectly. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. I just have them in a purple bin. And recently I went to, how do you put this in here? Oh, right here. Duh. You see how you just slip it in there? Oh, that's so beautiful. And I got the rose gold ones. Oh my god, I love the rose gold. It's so pretty. And you can just keep them out because, I mean, they're pretty to look at. So I just recently picked up a binder from all my other stamping plates because I had them in here and it was just overflowing and it just filled everywhere. And some baseball cards and photo holder thingy majigs, whatever you call it. So here are my other clear jelly stampers. These are all going into my new plate holders. So I have all these small ones and then 3 more big ones. 4. Well, one of them's not clear jelly stamper. But yeah, I have all my other plates in this binder because it was just overflowing in that purple thing. And here you can see how they are. Stamping plates in this binder, and these are just like the bundle monster ones and a whole bunch of other random plates, and I did front and back. If you'd like to see more about how I store these, just let me know. And like I left a whole bunch of these empty because I'm waiting on more circle ones. And then over here I have my big old the longer bundle monster ones, and then these are just random. So I didn't buy like special cases for these because I don't know, I don't know, as you can see it's almost full. If you want to see how I store these or like more detailed, just let me know in the comments and I'll show you more or less how I did it. I was saying I did buy 2 of these bigger ones because I have bigger plates, and then I purchased 2 smaller ones. I think these were like $14.50, something like that, and then these were like $7.50. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but you can go on the website and there's coupon codes you can use. I used the Talia one, or you could also use Susie from Career Education. You could use their codes and you get the same amount off because I tried both of them and they're the same. But I'm going to use this one for the smaller ones. I have a whole bunch of the smaller ones. A whole bunch of these when Clear Jelly Stamper had that pick 6 for $20 of the small ones. And then I believe they have a bigger one of the, you get all of the letter plates for like $30, I believe. I'm not sure. But I did the pick 6 and then you pick whichever ones you want. So that's a good deal and I'm going to do that again. I'm going to place another order, I believe next Friday, because I want the newer plates that came out. They're so pretty. Y'all should go on their website and check them out. But yeah, that's my Clear Jelly Stamper order. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!